this is simple URL call J1 to shift degree to maybe 5. So when I send, it will shift. Try again. When I send, it will shift. Then the source code will be structured in this way. Okay, the environment parameter we can define into system variable. We define here. The calculation here I'm not yet defined. Kinematic calculation I think I'll put here. Database connection. The value I will keep inside database. Hardware connection, it will convert the logical command into serial command, right? We write IO, then we connect to the 10C port using serial command. Then the value, this is runtime value I will store inside. I will override the variable inside this value object module. Okay. Generally, it will use this to control all the route. Okay, server, which server motto, move, join, then what it will give the list of the join. After that, it will support the parameters. And so this is a sample of the web services. Then from the web services, I can run, example, this to control the server gripper. When I change to 1120, you will see the gripper change. If I change back to 90, yeah, it's like that. Then I put the documentation here. I will follow the documentation inside here. So I will from time to time update this repository. Then you guys can simply use this repo and then write your own front end. The back end I will try my best to settle down. Then we can create more innovative project using your own front end.